Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the $GetCurrent and then also the $SysReset folders on your Windows computer. So if you're upgrading your computer from perhaps Windows 7 or Windows 8, you might have these upgrade folders that are taking up a considerable amount of space on your computer. Well, these should automatically be deleted by Windows within 30 days. If these folders are just stuck around after a Windows Update installation, I'm going to show you guys how to remove them. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in File Explorer. Best match should go back with File Explorer. Go ahead and just left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and now go underneath whatever disk Windows is installed on. Should have a little Windows icon above the hard drive, so go ahead and double click on that. Select the View tab up at the top, and then you want to check mark where it says Hidden Items, so go check mark inside of that. So in my case, I only have the $GetCurrent folder. The $SysReset folder is if you recently performed a reset or refresh of the Windows 10 operating system. So just want to differentiate the two a little bit. So all you have to do now is just right click on the folder and then select delete. And there you go, simple as that. You close out of here at that point, restart your computer. If you want to unhide the hidden protected folders, you could always uncheck that option. So I'll just open up File Explorer once again here and just go under the View tab and uncheck Hidden Items. So we have it just how we started this tutorial minus that folder in there. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.